God's not waiting for you to get it all together. So we think we have to fix ourselves first. We got to get holy. We got to get clean. We got to be stable enough. But God isn't after performance. He's after surrender. He doesn't need your perfection. He wants your obedience. God can't bless the version of you are pretending to be. He doesn't anoint the fake. He anoints the real, the broken, the honest, the willing. So stop hiding your flaws. Bring them to Jesus and watch him transform you. Here are 3 ways of how to get real with God. 1, stop performing and start confessing. 2, show up messy. He can handle your real. And 3, obey now, not when you feel ready. Perfection isn't required. Surrender is. Subscribe if you're ready to stop pretending and start walking in purpose.